Okay, in this video we're going to talk about adding and subtracting matrices. So let's see, our first example here, we have two matrices. Notice that they are the exact same size. This one is a 2 by 3 matrix. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. Remember, the number of rows always comes first. And this one also is a 2 by 3 matrix. That's important because in order to add matrices, you need to have both of them be the exact same size. Now, since I have that qualification met, I just need to add these together. And fortunately, matrix addition is very intuitive. You add the corresponding elements. So first, 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's what goes in my row 1, column 1. In row 1, column 2, I have 3 plus negative 3. So that's 0. In row 1, column 3, I have negative 7 plus 8. So that is 1. Then row 2, column 1, I have negative 4 plus negative 1. So that's negative 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 10 plus 2 is 12. And that's it. There's my answer. There's really not a whole lot to say about adding and subtracting matrices. Just make sure that they're the same size first, and then you add the corresponding elements. So we also have an example of subtracting. We again need to make sure that these are the same size. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, and this one also is a 2 by 2 matrix. This time, instead of adding, I'm subtracting. The idea is the same. I'm just going to be subtracting the corresponding elements. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus negative 1, well, that's the same as 8 plus 1, so that's 9. 3 minus 5 is negative 2, and negative 1 minus 12 is negative 13. And that is adding and subtracting matrices. For extra practice, I have uploaded the PDF of practice problems with answers. Do as many as you need to feel comfortable about adding and subtracting matrices, and check your answers. And then move on to our next video, which is going to be on scalar multiplication.